Many learners hear opposite and across from and think they mean different things. But in real English, both describe locations that face each other with a space or road in between. Today, we'll focus on across from, a very common and natural way to express this idea. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Place series. In the last episode, we learned about opposite, which describes two things facing each other. Now, let's explore across from, another preposition that shows the same relationship in a slightly more everyday way. Across from means something is directly facing you on the other side of a street, road, pathway, or open space. There is always something separating the two places, usually a street or walkway. For example, the cafe is across from the supermarket, the house is across from the park, and the bus stop is across from the pharmacy. Each pair faces each other, separated by some space. If a school is on one side of the road and a bookstore is directly facing it on the other side, we say, the bookstore is across from the school. It's a clear and simple way to describe location. In workplaces, you might hear someone say, there's a restaurant across from our office. It means you can see it directly from the front door or window, just across the road. When giving directions, across from is extremely useful. For example, the police station is across from the hospital. It gives someone a clear mental picture of where to find the place. Across from and opposite mean almost the same thing. The difference is that across from sounds more natural and is more common in everyday English, especially in spoken language. Opposite can sound slightly more formal. You might say, the clock tower is across from the fountain. This tells us the two landmarks face each other from different sides of the square. In front of means something is directly ahead on the same side. Across from means something is on the other side, facing you. The location changes depending on which side of the road you are on. A common mistake is using in front of when across from is correct. If the two places are facing each other from different sides of a road, the right expression is across from. Here's an easy way to remember it. Across from means something is facing you from the other side. If you need to cross a street to reach it, it's across from you. Let's recap. Across from describes two things facing each other from opposite sides of a road or open space. It's very similar to opposite and is used frequently when giving directions. That's how we use across from. It helps describe places that face each other from different sides of a space. In our next episode, we'll learn a more formal preposition, adjacent to, which means very close or next to something. Keep watching and continue mastering all prepositions of place.